Welcome back to Ganit Catalyst. Class 10 ICSE board exams. Sounds intimidating, right? You have probably heard seniors say that Class 10 maths is a completely different beast compared to Class 9. Linear inequations, matrices, trigonometry, it feels like a lot. But here is the secret. It isn't harder. It is just more structured. And if you have the right roadmap, cracking 95 plus or even a perfect 100 is completely doable. Welcome to your ultimate Class 10 ICSE Maths course. Understand mathematics in depth from the comfort of your home through our online mathematics classes at Ganit Catalyst YouTube channel. Please like, subscribe and share it. Before we solve a single problem, we need to know the battlefield. ICSE Class 10 board paper is worth 80 marks, split into 2 sections. So math is just a language. Once you learn grammar, core concepts, you can solve any problem board throws at you. There are 7 core units while going through the syllabus. First one is commercial mathematics, algebra, geometry, mensuration, trigonometry, statistics, and probability. The ICSE Class 10 mathematics syllabus for the session consists of written paper carrying 80 marks and internal assessment of 20 marks. The question paper is divided into 2 sections. Section A, 40 marks, compulsory short answer questions, and Section 2, 40 marks, choice 4 out of 7 questions. Now let us discuss unit-wise syllabus detail. First, commercial mathematics, it will carry 13 marks. It consists of GST, banking, and shares and dividend. Second topic is algebra. It is hitter topic because it carries 32 marks. It linear inequations, quadratic equations, ratio proportion, matrices, factorization of polynomials, arithmetic progression. Scoring topic, 8 marks, similarity, loci, circles are important topics in it. Now mensuration, it carries 8 marks, volume, surface area volume. Fifth topic is trigonometry. It carries 8 marks. It consists of 3 chapters: trigonometric identities, trigonometric tables, heights and distances. Coordinate geometry again carries 8 marks. It is again reflection, section and midpoint formula, equation of a line. And last topic is statistics and probability. Topic carries 11 marks and it consists of statistics and probability. Now, how are we going to master this? This course is built on a proven 3-step framework. First, we will go into concept clarity. We don't memorize steps. We learn why a formula works using a real-world animation. Second is 10-year drill. So we will pass 10-year board exams directly inside the lectures. And third step is the presentation playbook, where I will show you exactly how to write your steps, state your theorems, and draw your graphs to stop examiners from cutting even a half mark. Let's talk about examination blueprint breakdown. Total duration is 3 hours and 15 minutes, where 15 minutes of reading time. Section A, 40 marks, completely compulsory, 15 MCQs along with short concept-based questions. Section B, 40 marks, offer choice, select any 4 out of 7. Each question is broken into subparts. No matter where you stand right now, whether you struggle with basic algebra or you are already scoring well, this course will level you up. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and let's crush this academic year together. See you in chapter 1.